Hey gang, part 4 of the mermaid set that we are doing. These are the 3 we've done so far. I'm clearly struggling to hold 3 at once. That was the first one, and the focus, second one, and the shell was yesterday. So today I'm going to use the plan. Alright, we've seen it. Yeah. The plan was to use either some... Oh yeah, I lost it. Where did it go? There it is. Some mermaid paper from Diamond Glitters, but I wasn't sure how that was going to work with gel polish because it's thick-ish. So I had Fairy Web at the ready just in case. It's not super thick, but it's not super thin either, the mermaid paper. So the plan was to cut up a bit of sandwich bag here, a clean one. This one's from Tesco. You can use whichever brand you like. So just cutting a piece of that up and then putting some base coat down. I didn't put anywhere near enough base coat down, so I did have to sort of stick some bits of base coat. I'll tell you when we get there. So I'm popping that on the base coat and then trying to wrap the sandwich bag around it, and then I'm going to hold that under the lamp and then peel it off. So that had been in again already because I hadn't put enough base coat, so one of the sides was a bit flappy, so I just put a bit more on and held it down and put it back in the lamp. I'm just trimming off the excess, but I will file it off later when we've topped. I didn't know whether to do Parma Violet. I'm talking really quickly. I shouldn't speed this up so much because I'm gonna like pass out. I didn't know whether to use the Parma Violets or the Sea Blue Iridescent that we've used in the others, so I mixed them both together. I'm using this, it's still covered in glitter from yesterday. It's clean, like it's sterile, but it's covered in dried on, like baked on gel polish and goodness knows what, so it still looks kind of grubby. And then I'm just patting that on and fading it down over the mermaid paper. I wanted to make sure it was really compact at the top. I possibly should have put a colour underneath it, just because it's iridescent, so it could have been a bit see-through-y, but instead I just chucked the rest of the glitter on. And then patting it down, making sure it's nice and flat, or as flat as possible. As I say, with the mermaid paper, I've used it before, but I encapsulated it in Builder Gel. But I wanted to try and see if I could get it to work with gel polish, and it does work, but it would probably be easier with being encapsulated. So I've cured the glitter and I'm now top coating. I would suggest doing a thick coat of top coat or a rubber top coat. Super Gloss is the Gel Perfection one, and curing that, buffing, just filing the sides, any bits of paper that were sticking out. And there is like a bump on this side here that annoyed me, but I wasn't going to do anything about it. If it was on a client, then obviously I would, but it's not. So that had a dust off, and then I didn't know whether to do anything else. Did it need a few scales on? Did it need something drawn on? And I thought, nope, this is enough. There's enough going on. So I topped, and that's it. And took it off there so you can see that the look at me trying to pretend my workspace is tidy, see through the mermaid paper a bit, but yeah, I was quite happy with that. It worked out better than I thought it would, using gel polish with the mermaid paper, apart from that bump. Oh look, stick your thumb over it, nobody will know. Trying it again on different backgrounds, nice tatty buffer, and my hand, very profesh. So that is it. That's the others we've got so far. I've done tomorrow's one, so that will be ready to go tomorrow, and then we'll move on to something else. I don't know what, but that's Future Joe's problem. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for lots more videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.